Meteorologist Annette Charles for a look at that Tuesday forecast.
All right, Christian. Yeah, it's going to be a bit bumpy as the day goes on, as we do have the potential for some severe weather. Right now, though, we're on the calmer side of things. Calmer and cloudy, that's for sure. We do have some patchy fog out there. Those low clouds really visible this morning around Dundalk. The Key Bridge missing once again for today. Hopefully, we'll find it a little bit later. The muggy meter is up there, so we are dealing with plenty of moisture across the area. So it is going to be pretty oppressive as we go through the rest of today. That UGG sign definitely going to be there. Dew points over 70, so that tropical air mass is going to be on top of us, and we are going to be wearing the air once again. So look at these numbers. It's 70 degrees in Timonium. Good morning to you. Good morning, Edgewood. 72 degrees in Millersville. So the numbers, the temperatures are up above average, but as we go into the afternoon, though, with all the cloud cover, the rain, showers, the thunderstorms, going to keep temperatures down a bit as we go through the rest of today. Speaking of the showers, well, we will start to see more developing as the morning goes on. The late morning hours into the early afternoon will be the first round of rain, and then we'll have another batch that's going to be more on the strong to severe side as we go into the afternoon. The good thing is what we're working with today is that we have a lot of cloud cover out there, so that cloud cover is going to hold down on the severe weather threat as we head more towards the afternoon evening time frame. And if we do get a round of showers and thunderstorms earlier on, oh, that could rob the energy from the atmosphere for that second round, so that will keep the severe weather threat down. So let's keep our fingers crossed for that. The bulk of the rain showers and thunderstorms now across the upper Midwest. We do have the stationary boundary that will move back as a warm front as we go through the morning hours, and that's going to be the trigger for some of those showers developing earlier on. And then we do have an area of low pressure associated with the cold front. That's going to be associated with the second batch of showers and thunderstorms that roll through later in the afternoon into the evening. So let's time it out on Futurecast. So here we go. This is the first round. Once again, later in the morning, early afternoon, we could see a few of those spotty showers roll on in, and then as we head, I'd say rush hour, between rush hour and about maybe 10 o'clock this evening, we'll start to see that next batch. That's the one that could be on the frisky side of things, bringing the showers and thunderstorms on the strong to severe side. And then by tomorrow, things start to tone down a bit, but still have to keep this chance for a slight chance for a shower in the forecast as we go into the afternoon. So for today, once again, here's the severe weather risk. We do have a marginal risk. We have a slight risk, 1 and 2. The bottom line is the biggest threats will be damaging gusty winds, and can't rule out an isolated tornado and also isolated flooding. Now let's get to check the traffic with Lauren.
Thanks, Lynette. The time now 6:48. If you're getting ready to commute